Oh, careful mate, that looks dangerous. Phew. Ah, come on, Greg. See what happens when you buy crappy equipment from dodgy suppliers? You need quality gear from suppliers you can rely on for the long... Oh, bug it, not again. Come on, Tim. What a mess. That's why we created Industry Search. Save time and money. Find that ideal multimeter, pallet wrapper, welding machine, forklift, pump and tons more from suppliers that'll support you for the long haul. Buy from verified, qualified suppliers for true peace of mind. And stay ahead of the competition with newsletters featuring the latest products, news and ideas to take your operation to the next level. Join over 500,000 fair dinkum Aussie industrial buyers and never make the same mistake twice. So visit industrysearch.com.au now, your one-stop industrial supply shop.